You don't shake it. No, it's not funny. We don't shake our cup. We keep it still.
Did you get a little too much there? Not too much.
A little bit at a time, buddy.
It's Hudson's first time drinking out of a cup all by himself.
All done.
I love it.
All done.